Hello guys, welcome to this course. In this lesson, I'm going to discuss about how to speed up or speed down any footage. So to do this, if we mute this audio option, this is our footage, and to do this, we'll press Ctrl plus R. Here we can see that the speed, duration, reverse speed, ripple edit, and time interpolation. So if we want to split it down to 50%, let's say 50%, we can see that 1 minute 1 minute frame, 1 minute 4 second frame will be 2 minutes and 8 seconds and 16 frame. This footage has now been slowed down, and if we undo this and press Ctrl plus R again, and if we speed it up to 250%, you can see that it will speed up the footage. Or even if it's 200%, we can speed up the footage by this way. You can do this by also right click on the footage, and you can see here is the option speed or duration. This is also works as same as what you press Ctrl plus R. Both will work same, and this pop-up window will come up by the same process. So if we speed it up on 80%, and we can also reverse the speed. We copy and paste this here, and if we reverse the speed, and if we increase the speed to 300%, so you can see the reverse speed. So by this way, we can speed up or speed down or even make a reverse speed of any footage. So that's it for this lesson. We'll come up with a new topic in the next lesson. Thank you.